Hello, garden friends, and welcome back to Eden View Living. So, guys, today is my May garden tour, which was long overdue. I did this video about 3 weeks ago, but I was having problems with my previous app. It just wouldn't download my edited videos, so I had to start all over again. But finally, this is what my garden was looking like in May, because we're already in June. But it's all right. This is what my garden is looking like, and as you can see, I'm very happy with it. Most of the plants are starting to bloom and really grow very well, so very pleasing. Guys, can you see this flower pot? This belongs to my daughter. I'm trying to get my children into gardening as well, and one of my daughters is really into it, and I love seeing that. So these videos were taken over a couple of days, so you will see some flowers in bud, and then you also see them as they were blooming. Look at those rhododendrons. That one is a bit sticky, but it's looking beautiful. Guys, can you see that little rose in that turquoise pot? That's a new addition. I'm trying not to buy any more plants, but it's difficult. Garden friends, I'm sure you understand. Sometimes it's just difficult to pass a beautiful rose like this or a bargain plant. You know, I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. I'm just showing you my bed houses, because there were some birds which were nesting there this spring, which was quite nice to see. And my hostess are looking very beautiful, guys. I don't have a problem of slugs at my property, so you know, that's a blessing, because I hear many people complain about slugs. I don't know if it's the gravel or if it's the pots, I just don't know, but I don't have problems with slugs eating my hostess, and they're looking absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to this one getting big. I love that hoster, guys. I just don't know what it's called, but it's a beautiful specimen of a hoster. There we go. um I've tried to make my garden like very low maintenance, because I just want to enjoy this garden most of the times. I don't want to be doing all sorts of stuff other than just that pleasant stuff, which is light, like just walking in the garden, maybe picking up some leaves. That's what I'm doing actually at the moment. So there isn't much work in the garden. So I think there is such a thing as a low maintenance garden, and mine is, and I'm enjoying it. So that's one of the big planters that I also did. My daughter helped me to choose those flowers, and like I said, she's getting into gardening as well, which I'm enjoying to enjoy gardening with my family. It's such a blessing. So guys, I think I am going to go, and you just enjoy. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And very soon, if not 2 days from now, I'm going to be doing my early June garden tour, because it's just amazing how things grow so quick within a very short period of time. Nature is just so amazing, and once that sun is out, everything is just boom, is just growing. So my June garden tour will be out in about 2 to 3 days, guys. So just enjoy the rest of the tour, and until next time, cheerio. guys, I've added a standard red robin and I think it looks beautiful there. That place was just looking really sorry for itself. Can you see the beauty of these lupins? This is beautiful. Beautiful lupins. I wish they would last. And my alliums are also shining. Woohoo!